Welcome to Delta Data Services. In this video, we will go over the process of importing leads into Zoho CRM using a spreadsheet. One of the first things you'll want to do in CRM is bring in your data. You have to decide if you want to import or migrate your data. And you have to decide if your database is full of leads or contacts or both. The main difference between importing and migrating is that with migrating, you'll bring in a bunch of modules at once. With importing, you will tend to import one module at a time. So let's get into importing your leads. Your prepared Excel sheet may look like this with the following columns. Lead owner should be the email of the user who will be in charge of the lead. This field can also be set to the ID of the user, but email is a little easier to work with. First name, last name, title, and company are all single-line fields. Emails should be in correct format. Phone numbers should not have any formatting so they can be more searchable. Zoho will format them. If you cannot remove the formatting on the phone, it will still import, no problem. Ensure that the pick lists, like industry and lead source, are simple and consistent. Ensure your fields in CRM also have these options in them. It will not affect the import, but it will affect reporting later. Salutation is a pick list and is customizable. There is only one street or address line in Zoho CRM. Concatenate multiple street or address lines or create a second address line in CRM. If you create a custom field for the second address, ensure to check the boxes in Lead to also create the field in Contact, Account, and/or Deal. Ensure state values are consistent. Ensure zip codes that start with 0 have not been truncated. Ensure country is consistent for reporting purposes. Also, if you send SMS or mailings, you need the country and it's best to have it consistent, i.e., do you use United States or USA? Website can be in any form ending in .com. Include a column for tags. In this example, my tags will be to assign the lead to a campaign, i.e., a detailed record of where I met the lead, such as the exact conference. For multiple tags, separate them by comma. Now your XLX, XLXS, or CSV file is ready. It's time to import. Go to the Leads module and click in the upper right on Import, then Import Leads. Browse for your file you want to import on your computer. Pick the file from the pop-up screen. You will see the screen when the file successfully loads. Decide how to deal with the records. Do you want to add them as all new leads or update existing leads, or both? For the last two options, you can skip records based on lead ID or email. Map the fields in your file to the fields in CRM. At this point, you can determine if the lead owner is by email or ID. You can see the sample data from your file on the right side. This will help you reference what data is in each field and the format. Once you map the fields, and if you return again with a file with a similar column heading Zoho CRM, we'll remember your mappings. In this screen, set any assignment rules if you have not already set the owner of the records in the file. You can also make follow-up tasks to be created so that each record owner is reminded to follow up with their assigned leads. You can enable lead approval. If you do this, the leads will not come onto your lead list until you approve them. You will get pop-up alerts that import is in progress and when it is successful. This is what the view of all leads in a successful import could look like. You can undo your import in the click of a button. To do this, go to Setup, then Data Administration, then Import. In here, you will see all the imports that have been made. If you have imported within the last 30 days, you will be able to undo the import. All the records associated with that file's import will be removed as if they were never imported. I hope this video was helpful. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe to our YouTube channel for more Zoho admin and user tips, as well as other information from Delta Data Services. You can get in touch with us on the phone number provided on the screen, or visit our website at www.dds-llc.com.